Do you know what this plant is? Have a good look at it. You might recognise it. It's a really common weed in your garden and in wastelands in many, many countries of the world. It's really, really precious. Now, you will just maybe just used to looking at it as a weed, but it's one of the most really important herbs in my dispensary. Hi, this is Wendy Demerick from Herbal Medicine Secrets. I've been a herbal medicine practitioner and teacher for nearly 3 decades now. So we're bringing to you with the Herbal Medicine Secrets deeper dives into how to use these as medicines. But let me just show you. Here's the roots of the dandelion. Now, this is a small plant. I just dug it up from the garden and I'm going to make a decoction. And that's a water-based drink from the roots, because I feel that my liver and my kidneys could do with a bit of help at the moment. I'm feeling a bit sluggish. I've had a little bit too much fatty nuts and things like that because I don't eat much meat or have dairy. I tend to a bit overdo it with the nuts sometimes. And I've also been in the big smoke in the city twice in a week, which doesn't really help me much. So, but I've also used these beautiful leaves in my green medicine drink. So I'm having this drink today because that's also going to help me just gently move things through my body that might be impeding me at the moment. So I put about 8 or 10 leaves, not very big leaves, in this green medicine drink because it's really good. The leaves in particular are great for just helping to move things through your kidneys a bit. It's been used for time immemorial as folk medicine, but also in my clinic, it's one of the most valuable plants there is. And I teach people how to actually do this for themselves. So it's really important. Make sure you hit the subscribe and like us and put your comment. Have you got any of this beautiful, amazing weed plant growing in your garden? So what I did, I'll put the link down to how I made this beautiful green drink. I'll put that down below because that's on the Natural Woman Network YouTube channel. But I really wanted to tell you a little bit more about dandelion, and it can be mistaken for another plant that's known commonly as cat's ears, but the dandelion has smooth leaves. It doesn't have hair. It's called lion's tooth in popular folk medicine because it's shaped like a tooth. The leaf is shaped like a tooth. So you might, if you're going to make a decoction, I show you how to do that in the Herbal Medicine Secrets course. We also show you how to make a fresh plant tincture from the roots as well. So what's really important is that you can also use this as food. So I'll often have 3 or 4 small tender leaves in a green salad. It's fantastic for that. So not just in these green drinks, which I've also got a little bit of spearmint in because it just really adds to the flavour. I've also got some rocket because it's also slightly bitter tasting herb, and anything that's bitter is going to help your kidneys, your liver in particular. And I might do this once a week, that I'll have a day where I just have liquids, and I might make some vegetable broth and have that as well with a bit of miso in it. Or I might do it every 2 or 3 weeks, depends how I'm feeling. I think I'll be doing it every week for a while. But what I'm going to be doing is, because I'm going to be traveling a lot, I'm going to dig up a lot of my dandelion roots, because now going into early autumn is a really good time to do that. And most of them have got really long tap roots on them. This is just a small one. It's actually 2 small ones. And I'm going to cut them up, slice them up really finely, and I'm going to put them on a rack out in the sun, and they'll dry very quickly. You know, the Australian sun's quite hot and penetrating. And I'm going to put them in a glass container and take them with me on the road when I'm in Medicine Wheels, my mobile home and office. Okay, so the rocket is also lovely in a salad. Don't overdo it. I put a small handful of this in 1.5 litres or 6 cups of water in my blender, along with the dandelion and some apple and a few other things. If you have too much of it, it might be just too much for your liver. So there's Dandelion, your shot of green medicine for the day. Come and see us at Herbal Medicine Secrets. Bye.